The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Lake IN beginning at 12:47 a.m. and ending at 4:47 a.m. The Lake County Sheriff's Department is searching for a suspect wanted for a murder in East Chicago who escaped police custody at approximately 3 p.m. on Monday, December 14, 2020 in Gary, Indiana. Police are looking for Leon Taylor, a black male, 22 years old, 6 feet tall, 162 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray hoodie with an additional black hoodie underneath, black Puma tennis shoes and black jeans. He was also wearing handcuffs, a leg brace, and a belly chain. He broke free from the secured transport van that was being used to extradite him from Texas, and fled on foot in the 35th and Grand Street area. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Leon Taylor, please call 911. This suspect is considered dangerous and should not be approached.